Hello, my friends online, and I'm just heading off to bed now. It's like 11 o'clock here in the UK, and oh my god, I had a really bad dose of the hiccups. There is nothing worse than having the hiccups. So, how do you get rid of hiccups fast? First disclaimer, I'm not a doctor. Obviously, you can see I'm not a doctor. But I'll give advice, but it's my advice. It works for me. And if it works for me, I don't see any reason why it shouldn't work for you. It's quite simple. We both know there's nothing worse than the hiccups. You're sort of sitting there and you sort of... It's not really annoying to someone you're sitting with, but it's annoying. It's annoying to yourself. So, how do you get rid of the hiccups? It's all a matter of breathing, really. So you gotta pinch your nose. You gotta hold your breath for at least 30 seconds. Do it a couple of times. And trust me, it will work. Because it works for me. Right, say I have the hiccups now, right? Here's what I'd do, right? Pinch my nose, right? Here we go. Let's just say I have the hiccups, and this is how it goes. I breathe in. Breathe out slowly. Breathe in for about 30 seconds and then breathe out slowly for about 30 seconds. And if you keep doing that, it will actually go. It is, it's always worked for me. So it has. Obviously there's been the odd time where I've had a bad dose of hiccups and it's really hard to get rid of. But it's a matter of controlling it. So it's about getting that breathing pattern. And the real thing is holding your breath for 30 seconds. I'm sure if you watched that video back at the very start, you would have heard me burp. That very burp, that's the wind that is actually causing the hiccups, and that is what's getting rid of it. So what you can, as we do it, right? You pinch your nose, and you breathe in first, and then pinch your nose, and then exhale for about 30 seconds. So breathe in. Did you see how I didn't let the air exhale through my mouth? I sort of let it exhale through the left nostril, then the right nostril. And the hiccups just went. Because there's nothing worse than hiccups. I've actually seen people in work, and they have the hiccups, and they just let them continue. And you can hear them sort of hic, 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 hic. Trust me, if you follow what I did there, your hiccups will be gone in boom, 30 seconds. I guarantee you. And you don't need a doctor's advice on sort of how to get rid of hiccups. It's quite easy. Did you hear me burp there? There's another one. Burping, that's how the hiccups are going. Because you've actually done it properly. and that's how you do it. You know, you breathe in, pinch the nostrils, exhale through the right one, exhale through the left, exhale through the right, exhale through the left, exhale through the right, and just do that for a couple of minutes, as long as you can, and your hiccups will be gone. And what can I say? It's not that I'm not a doctor, you know. I mean, do I look like a doctor? Well, I don't know. Some doctors aren't exactly the best, you know. But what I can tell you is that gets rid of my hiccups. And if you get the hiccups and you try that and it doesn't work, feel free to come back and give me a comment. But I can tell you this, I don't think you will, because that is a really good cure for the hiccups. And if you do get the hiccups, that will cure it 100%. And if it doesn't, you feel free to come back, leave a nasty comment down below, and I'll take your full criticism. But trust me, that will cure your hiccups 100%. Works for me every time, every single time. Anyway, please subscribe to my channel. Feel free to leave a comment about your experiences or any sort of cure you have for hiccups. I'll be glad to hear them. And thanks very much for watching my video, and have a good weekend. Thank you very much. I've just realised my hiccups have gone. So it worked. It actually worked. Take care, everyone.